Hey, what's that, Sat?
This is the letter T, and it makes the T sound. Let's get learning.
Oh, hi there. It's Mr. Luqui. I'm just waiting for Sat to appear again so we can learn our next sound. But meanwhile I'm waiting, I'm going to be playing a bit of my Switch.
Oh, hi there. Oops, sorry Mr. Luqui, but you nearly made the sound we will be learning about today. This is the letter T. It makes the T sound.
The T sound?
The T sound is a quiet sound where you blast air out by lifting the tip of your tongue. See if you can make the T sound. Whoa! Now you know how to say T.
Wait, but how do you write the T sound?
To write your letter T, start at the top. Bring your pen down and round. Then give it a cross through the middle. Let's do it again.
Guess what? It's challenge time. I'm going to show you 5 objects and you have to find the ones that begin with T. Everyone at home, you can join in too. Good luck!
Okay everyone, I'm going to need your help for this challenge. So let's find those things beginning with T. Okay, let's see what objects Sat has for us today. We have cat, lock, tap, tin, teeth. I'm going to give you a few seconds now to work out which ones begin with T. Let's see which ones begin with T. The tin, the tap, and the teeth. Well done everyone, I know Sat's going to be proud of all of us.
Wow! Great job finding those things beginning with T. Guess what? Now you know 3 sounds. I think you're ready to sound out your first word.
Wait, Sat, you think I'm ready to sound out my first word? Let's do it!
More than ready. Here's the first word. Remember to sound it out and blend the sounds together to make the word. Good luck!
Okay everyone, this is the first time I'm ever going to be reading a word. And everyone at home, you can help me sound out this word as well. And here it is! Okay, let me use my phonics knowledge to sound it out slowly and see if I can blend the sounds together. Ah. T. Ah. T. Oh, I don't think I know what this says. At. It says at. Sat, it says at.
Yeah! You did it! Now, try this word.
Whoa! This word has 3 letters. I'm gonna definitely need your help to sound out this word. Let's sound it out together with the sounds we know and see if we can blend it together to make the word. Okay. S. Ah. T. Let's do it again. S. Ah. T. I think one more time. S. Ah. T. Sat. Sat! That's your name, Sat! We read it! It says Sat!
Yeah! You did it, Mr. Luqui and everyone at home. Now, I must go. Well done to you and everyone for reading your first words with the sounds we've learned. Bye!
Oh, bye, Sat!
Everyone, I can't believe we read our first words together. We read at and at. Sat! And we also learned a new sound, the t sound. So let's recap what we learned with Mrs. Luqui. And I'll see you again next time. Bye!
What sound did we learn today? This is the letter T and it makes the T sound. Can you all make that sound at home? Now let's see some words which have the T sound in them. Tent, ten. Now let's see how to spell sat. Sat. Remember, if you enjoyed today's video, click the like and subscribe button. Don't forget the notification bell so you can see more of Mr. Luqui learning his phonics. Now you know the T sound. Terrific!